today we're going to the garden center to look at some Christmas installations and maybe some Christmas stuff, and also to get stuff for a video. We're doing a DIY tutorial. Someone really wants what we're building, I guess. I have no idea. It's Lumi and Fitz there, so it was either of them. I think it was probably Fitz who leaked. Well, in any case, we're going there now and are getting some stuff. We're not only back from the hardware store, but fast forward a little bit and we built this Heidi. If you saw Saturday's video, you've already seen this Heidi, but this is what we got all of the wood for. They didn't have that much Christmas decorations as they usually have, but I got new baubles. Got these 3 glittery baubles on the bottom and then just a package of the gold and red ones. And we also got fairy lights for the tree. I'm really happy, and I got the tree from Amazon as a Cyber Monday deal, so I'm really happy. I think it looks better than the kind of sad tree we had for the last couple of years. I don't want a real tree next to the white sofa and the white carpet. The guinea pigs seem really happy with their Heidi. Fitz has somehow managed to lie right in the middle. So this piece of wood is right in her face, but she seems pretty happy. Building all of this took forever. You can probably tell from the lighting that it's quite late now. So I think I'll see you tomorrow. Fitz has already gone to sleep, as you can see. We'll be on the other hand waiting for food. And he's getting curious. And he's popcorning. Are you happy, Wilby? Do you like your new Heidi? You do? Yeah? He's really interested in the camera, and so he like moves away from the lens because he really wants to smell the tripod. There he is, trying to eat the tripod. Okay, you guys are all waiting for food. Okay, I'm calling it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys! Today we're going to Ikea. I need a couple of things for the guinea pigs. We need a new hay plastic box, and then I also want to look into getting more of these little treat plastic boxes that I always use, like the little ones. They sell them at the kids section, and I need more fleece liners. I haven't been to Ikea in a year, so we'll see what they have and if they have any other interesting guinea pig stuff. Nugget, you excited for Ikea? What's up, Fitz? Also, interesting development. There's Wilby, and yes, I totally need to clean the fleece liners. That's why we're getting new ones, because I have 6 of the long ones, and ever since we switched to all fleece in this cage, it's 6 fleece liners is just not enough, because sometimes it takes them a little bit longer to dry in the winter, so we need new ones. Interesting development. Wilby always sleeps up there with Lumi. Like Lumi and Wilby always stay in this fleece forest. So I think they might be best friends. Right, Wilby? You were looking for a best friend. I think Wilby's really happy. Like, these two are just very laid back and get along really great. And they both always go to sleep together in the fleece forest, which is really adorable. And then Wilby obviously wakes up the second he hears anything, because he's very curious and wants to know what's up. Okay, let's go to Ikea. We're back from Ikea. I got my 2 fleece liners and also the hay box. It's already outside, filled with hay. Okay, I had to move places now because the sun was really bad. I found a really cool, Ikea used it as kind of a place for making drinks, but it really reminded me of the Nate and Jeremiah pet bed that I mentioned in my guinea pig gift guide. And I think that one could be really similar in a guinea pig's cage. You just need a pee pad to put it on top, obviously, to protect the wood. But I think it could work really similar. It looked pretty stable, so I don't think the guinea pigs could tip it over. So I think like this is something that I found for the guinea pigs that I haven't seen mentioned online before as kind of a product that you can use for guinea pigs, but it's like everyone's here. Hi guys! But yeah, other than that, just they had a ton of stuff upstairs, and then basically everything was sold out downstairs, so you couldn't actually buy any of the stuff that you noticed upstairs. So that was kind of a bust, but I'm happy I got my hay box and the 2 fleece liners because we really needed those things, and yeah, everything would have just been extra, but unfortunately they were just out of a ton of stuff. I didn't end up getting the boxes from the kids section that I wanted to get. I used them for a ton of stuff. Like I have one for pea flakes, and then I have one for the guinea pig's medicine. So I have like a box that is like the same system that we also use for the hay box, just a smaller one for like the bigger medicine stuff. And then I keep a small kids section box where I just keep all of the small stuff in. So basically we just have a ton of vet supplies, and I kind of divide it in the box because it's so much. So I really use these boxes for everything, but I didn't like the colors that they came in. Maybe I'll look for them in the spring, see if they have different colors. You're just waiting for something, right? Okay, let's quickly focus on Lumi because you're a model pick, Lumi. Nugget, are you helping? Putting all the fleece liners in and getting to decorate the cage. Nugget, careful! Honestly, there are a couple of things that I definitely do different should I build another cage. One thing that I never regretted with any of our cages was to build the cage in a way so that I can step into it. Now everyone's saying hi. Walk in here with the piggies. Hey guys. Like you're a funny one. Oh, Wilby's saying hi too. Hi Wilby. Hi, I'm sitting in your cage, I know. No, it's not food, it's the human. Lulu saying hi. So, I mean, that's nice. Guys, who's like, someone is wet and just shook themselves and got all of that water on me. At least I hope it's water. Hi, Nugget. Oh, Nugget. Am I in the way, Nugget? Bye, Nugget. Do not nibble my feet, Wilby. Oh, Fitz is here as well. So, I mean, that is obviously really nice, but also just, it makes cage keeping so much easier. Nugget, could you please? You found it. You're a good pig. Very intelligent, very resourceful. You can have one pea flake. One. And then you're going back inside your cage. Nugget! Nugget, I hear you. Come back, Nugget. I know, Fitz. Nugget is playing with the pea flake box, right? This pig. Piggy! You got your pea flake already! Nugget, There. Go back inside your cage. Nugget. Go back. Nugget. I know. That is so fun. Go back inside your cage. Nugget. 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 Go back inside your cage. That's a good pig. Look, Nugget. So much to explore, right? Okay, now we can get to decorating. Like the fun part about cage cleaning. Nugget. Okay, I think the Heidi looked good there, so that one goes back there. I don't want to have as many willow bridges in this cage anymore because I don't think they look as nice. New hay box. Really happy. Piggy train waiting for some hay. Careful, Nugget. Okay, while the guinea pigs are enjoying their fresh hay, I'll get ready to cleaning the living room because I always like to do that after every cage cleaning. Everyone's so happy. Look at what the vacuum cleaner didn't catch. So it's just basically a little bit of water and a little bit of cleaning solution. And like it doesn't leave your floor perfect, but for just quickly going over things, this is really great. I just got this on Wednesday or Thursday, I think. I'm always on the lookout for things that make the cleaning process a little bit more enjoyable. I'll link it in the description bar if I find it on Amazon. Wilby is popcorning and having the zoomies. Lulu, stop teeth chattering at me. You are happy with the fleece items, right, Wilby? And you're happy to have so much space. I think it was a good decision to get rid of all of the, oh, Nugget is yawning, to get rid of all of the willow bridges in this area and just have like this open space right now. Because I think Wilby is really enjoying this. Mr. Wilby out there just enjoying his cage. Wilby really loves this Heidi, like he has no problems also going up there. Fitz has found a new perfect place to sleep. Are we really trying to get the attention of the camera? Well, today I have something really nice for the guinea pigs. Where is Nugget, by the way? Nugget? Nugget! You guys, where is that pig? There she is! Oh, you were hiding behind the Heidi. I have some cilantro for you, piggies. Does that sound good? You smelling it? Yeah, Nugget does. Nugget! I know you want to come outside, right? Okay, you guys are all like, Wilby had cilantro for the first time last week, and he at first had no idea what it was and didn't really want to try it, but then he saw everyone else eating it, and then now he's a really big fan. Okay, piggies, you guys go. Nugget aggressively pushing me aside. Okay, you're getting it in your cage. Come on, piggies. Oh, Nugget. Oh wow, piggies. You guys, there's food behind you. There is food behind you, piggies. Look. Fitz, there's food over there. Go there. Go over there. Yes. Oh, look how cute! They all went to sleep up there. With Lumi, Fitz, and Wilby. You three are seriously adorable. You like your new cage setup, right? Oh, Wilby is sleeping on a piece of the fleece forest. Look, he's built himself a little pillow. Look at that. Facial expressions. Okay, Fitz, I'll stop filming. It's now really late in the evening. Lulu's still sitting in the hayrack. Lulu, have you done anything else in this video? Like this entire week besides sitting in the hayrack? I think one of the problems is that whenever Lulu comes out of the hayrack, Fitz gets a little bit too close to her and Lulu really doesn't like it. So I think that's why Lulu is sitting in the hayrack currently. Yesterday I saw the funniest thing. Like Lumi was sitting on a pillow and was scratching herself. And you know when guinea pigs scratch themselves and like have one foot in the air. And then Lulu was helping Lumi scratch her foot. And Fitz was cleaning her eye. This group is very friendly. Like, I've never had a guinea pig group like this friendly and like taking care of each other. You guys are very social. Lumi's away. Yeah, that's what Lumi does. As soon as it's evening and it's getting dark, Lumi just gets super curious and just wakes up. I know it's not been an entire week that I filmed, but I think we're about to get really sick in this household. And so I think I'll have to end this video early. Well, I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!